So they said I'm to make a video about antiques, upcycling, and sustainability. And I should start this in the workshop showing me working on old pieces of furniture, bringing them back to life. Sometimes I restore, sometimes I paint and upcycle and just make them fresh and new and desirable. Now, the whole video should be about why it's better to buy old than new. Start in the garden, I said. Sweep, there's some beautiful stuff at Coria Antiques in Corbridge. So start in the garden, do some sweeping shots of garden furniture. Make sure you get in those big golden balls and the old step ladder. Don't do the joke. Sweep through that. Show some people working. That'll be really good shots, especially in the sunshine. If you get your video of yourself talking about sustainability, why it's good to come to these places rather than buy new, because you're doing your bit, you're getting unique furniture. Whatever you do, don't forget to turn on the mic, otherwise you'd just be sitting there talking to yourself, and that would look insane. Sweeping back to the garden, show some more sweeping shots. There's an amazing variety of things. You could show all those different stuff in the garden. Garden furniture, fantastic shot. Get a shot yourself walking past. Or the other way, that works too. And from there, I'd cut to inside of Coria Antiques and show your own stall of mid-century, brightly painted, all the different colours and the things you can do with furniture. If you can get an old Lloyd loom in there, that would be great. Show your paints. Do that thing where you kind of sweep backwards and forwards with the video shots. It always looks good. Make sure you show the art, the cushions, and just all the colours. From there, I would do a balcony shot down over the rest of the store. Looks great. And then cut to some of the other store holders and mention the fact that there are over 50 sellers in House of Coria alone. And if again, I would do that sweeping backwards and forwards across the antiques, the furniture, the paintings. There's lampshades, there's more cushions, there's all the different cabinet holders. You'll see incredible colors. So talk about that a lot. And if you could try and get some kitchenware in there, all that lovely blue stuff. And there's even a garage kind of old oil cans. And if I'm not mistaken, you could get the old Escort grills in there as well before cutting to the kitchen. And again, keep that sweeping backwards and forwards, show all the variety of stuff, and promote the fact that it's all sustainable. You're not buying new, you're not cutting trees down. It's absolutely fantastic. Finish off with some stills of all the colors and the furniture and the paint. Make sure, see if you can get a kind of a Frida Kahlo picture in there, maybe even a bit of Julie Andrews. That would be great. Finish off with a few bits of furniture, the new stock, the brightly painted chairs, and you're nearly done. There's a step ladder there. Don't do the joke. I'm not going to do the step ladder joke. This is my step ladder. Okay, we did it. Thank you, and see you in the next one.